video. Look how nuts.
Ah!
Wait.
Guys, let's go!
What score?
Big boys! Again!
Yo, what score?
He got 6. 6. 9.
What score?
Let's go, big boy! Again! Shoot! Ah! Let's go! Oh!
Yo, what score?
Rock it! Oh, let's go! Back up!
What a game.
Oh!
Come on, man, keep it right hand. Almost. Michael Jordan with the ball. Come on, man. Yo, what score? Huh? 9-6. Nice miss. I'm loving it. 10-6. Come on, man. You got this. Oh. 9-7. I thought you had 10. Oh. 9-7. My bad. 9-7. Let's go, 1,000.
Oh, come on,
9-8, yo. Yo, this game. Game 11. Let's go. 2 points, man. That's easy, cheesy. Let's go. It's crunch time. Wow, that was pretty. Wow. Nice shot, guy. Nice foul, man. I like that foul. Oh. Yeah. Let's go. Michael it's getting hard to see without those glasses. It's getting hard to see in the dark. Let's go, man.
Don't get tight. Wake up. Press, man.
Don't get too confident, man. Don't slack. Let's go, man. You got this. Go in. Go in. I'm loving it. Playing game. Let's go. Let's go. Kevin Garnett. What you gonna do, man? Wow us. What? Oh, damn. What score? 10.9? 0.9. He has points. Game's 11. Whoa. Point. Win by 2, guys. Win by 2.
Hold that thing, man. Don't be the shot. Let's go.
Let's go. Crunch time. Once again.
Shoot the 3. Come on. See you the game. Shoot the 3, man. Let's go. Oh, come on, man.
Crunch time again.
Bingo. Come on, man.
Yo, what's wrong with you? Yo, get out of here with that.
Come on, shoot the 3. Off the fucking court. Lock him. Bring him down. Yeah. Good D, I know. Good D.
Yo. Yo, this dude is wildin'. Let's go. Come on, man. Yeah, he can miss too, man. You can miss too.
2.3. Bang, bang.
Good block! That's it! Kevin!
You missed it!
Kevin! Whoa! Let's go! 1 point!
Oh my God!
Yo, come on, you mad?
You see that
That's
block?
mad extra though.
You see that block?
You running in circles like.
Airball!
Oh wow.
Wait, did that shot hit the rim?
I don't think it
Did
did.
that shot hit the rim?
Oh, this is YouTube right here. Like, if it wasn't so dark,
Yeah, do mine, but you can't see that.
I really can though.
What happened, Tyler?
What's he doing?
Overtime!
What happened?
Overtime!
Yeah, nice miss. Nice miss.
Airball!
Let's go. Let's go. Come on, man.
Shut up, you mammoth!
Yo, come on, chill. Watch out.
Call it! Get out the
Yo, watch out.
Get out the fucking
He
floor!
caught it! I did not call it! I caught it! That's a foul! Come on, man!
Shut up.
Foul!
Shut up. Wow, where's he going?
11 up. Come on, guys.
Don't reach for it, man. Don't reach for it. Michael Jordan getting kind of nervous. I never seen this man nervous. Woo! Nice shot.
Point game.
Let's go. One shot. You only get one shot. Don't blow it. Don't do nothing crazy, man. Oh, come on, man. Yo, I really can't see. It's getting kind of dark.
Oh, point up again.